Hey y'all, this is Tanner with Central Trailers, and today I'm down here in Texas with Jacob from Diamond C. Y'all may know him as the Trailer Nerd, and we are here to talk about Diamond C trailers. Jacob, thanks for having us. I appreciate you having us down here.
Yeah.
Tell me what makes Diamond C different.
That's a good question. You know, it's been my parents started almost 40 years ago, so we are continuous learners, you know, and really listening to the customer all of those years to really find out what the customer needs, not just what they want.
Sure.
And so in y'all's case, up there in in the north where you get all the salt and the snow and things, one of the things that customers appreciate up there is the DM coating system.
Right.
You know, we take such intentional care and planning into what that coating means. It's not just powder coat, it's all the things that go into it, the prep process, the zinc enriched primer, the IFS top coat, all of those things, you know, have to be done right and have to be prepped just right so that it lasts a long time, which is super important in y'all's environment. So we take that same approach, that same engineering, innovative design approach to everything we do, from the beams that we build to the designs of the trailers, how they go together, you know, what they're meant to haul, the ratings, all of those things that we try and be very intentional about.
Sure. And the beams you're building, you know, like you had said, you guys are doing something a little bit different, something where you're manufacturing your own beams, so not only are you keeping them lighter, but you're able to add more strength while still having a lighter trailer, really making you a leader in the payload area. I mean, you're able to get higher and higher payloads, especially in something with 212s, 216s. You keep a lighter trailer, all of a sudden your payload skyrockets really quick.
For sure. Yeah, so you would know as well as I do today, tractors, equipment, skid steers, excavators, all of those things are getting bigger, they're getting heavier. And when someone is spending the kind of money that they are today on trailers, that they're investing in their future, they're investing in their equipment, you know, they need the most out of it. And so that's where that engineered beam construction comes in, and like it's hands down shines, because we're able to put the metal where it counts the most. We can make the beam a little bit taller, but not sacrifice deck height. But also, because of that, again, we have control over the thicknesses of the material when we're building the beam, and we can keep the weight low. And so strength to weight ratio is very, very aggressive.
Yeah, really unmatched in the industry as far as that concerned.
Yeah, and this is a product, again, of that continuous learning. We started building our own beams in 2018. We released it at the show, the big trade show every year in 2017. So we've been at it for a while now and learned a lot over that time span. And it went from only gooseneck flatbed trailers, now it's in tilt trailers, dump trailers, equipments. Like we've expanded it across all product platforms to deliver that same, you know, stronger beams, lighter weight strategy.
Quite unbelievable what you guys do here. It's really cool to see the trailers, each new model comes out, and all of a sudden, hey, new changes, better and better and better every time. I really don't think you guys miss too much. I like it a lot.
Well, I appreciate it. It's there's a lot that goes into it, obviously, and we have tons of ideas, but you gotta remain focused on the core product. One thing that we rolled out this summer, while we're going to continue really focusing on, you know, the innovation side of things, trailers have come a long ways, and so we released a new brand called Baseline. It's a sister brand to Diamond C, and what that is it's almost like the core bones and structure and the stuff that can't be sacrificed of a Diamond C from, say, a couple of years ago, and keeping it very streamlined and simple, not a ton of options, and in a different price bracket. And so it's catering to that mid-market customer who really needs a solid product to get started. They're a landscape business. They want to buy their first dump. They would love to have a Diamond C. They need a strong quality product, but they can't spring for the bells and whistles and the other features that Diamond C has. The Baseline is a very solid option, so we're excited about the Baseline brand as well. Yeah,
and we did, as we were touring your beautiful facility here today, we did get to see some Baselines, and actually we just got our first load down at, in Minnesota. Just got our first load there. Well, Jacob, I appreciate you showing us around here today. I appreciate you talking to me, and I look forward to continuing to do business with you.
Oh yeah, it's been a phenomenal relationship. What, almost 2 years now, or a little over 2 years?
A little over 2 years now.
That we've been working with you guys, and if you are in the Twin Cities, if you're in that Minneapolis area,
Yep.
and you're looking for a dealership that you can trust and that will treat you like family, the old adage, then Central Trailers in
Yep.
2 locations.
2 locations,
Jordan.
East Bethel and Jordan.
Yeah, that's
Yep.
your place to go. And we'll see you on the road.
Thank you.